that this is the right thing to do.
City council members in Jacksonville decide to release evidence that could exonerate an inmate who was executed nearly 3 years ago. Good evening, everyone. I'm Donna Terrell.
I'm Kevin Kelly. The decision comes just days after the ACLU filed a lawsuit against the city demanding it release DNA evidence linked to former death row inmate Ladell Lee.
Fox 16's Alexis Wainwright attended tonight's meeting and joins us to explain what this means moving forward. Alexis.
Donna and Kevin, it was a unanimous vote by council members tonight. This is something that the ACLU and Lee's family have been fighting for. And now Lee could potentially be exonerated for the crime that he was convicted and killed for.
If there wasn't a question of innocence or guilt, then there wouldn't be need to do this.
City council members called into an emergency meeting Friday for a vote for a proposed order to release physical evidence in the case of executed death row inmate Ladell Lee.
It's important to know we either did the right thing or we're going to make it right.
And thanks to a unanimous vote, tests will be run on that physical evidence.
The family is absolutely relieved and pleased that the city of Jacksonville has decided to allow this testing to go forward, and so that they can get answers to questions that they have had for decades.
Ladell Lee was convicted of a 1993 murder and executed in 2017. Lee's sister, Patricia Young, filed a complaint against the city to release and test the physical evidence.
They've been by his side since day one. They were actually with him on the day that this crime was committed and testified as alibi witnesses for him in his first trial.
Initially, the city's attorney, Stephanie Friedman, said she, as well as the Attorney General's office, do not consider physical evidence to be a public record that can be released for the public under the Freedom of Information Act.
I don't want to go to court and fight about it. I just want to get it done.
The family says DNA and fingerprints that do not match Lee were found at the crime scene.
We can hopefully get moving toward the testing that Ladell asked for.
Now that this order has been approved, the city will still maintain physical custody of all the evidence, but it will be tested at a mutually agreed facility, and then the results will be shared with the family and the public.
Those results need to be known. If we don't let it known, I bet the plaintiffs will let it be known. So, yeah, I just think it's the right thing to do, let it be known to everybody in Arkansas.
It's unclear when the test will be, but Mayor Johnson says the city will move forward as soon as the testing site is agreed upon. Continue to stick with us for the latest on this. Donna and Kevin, back to you.